Clearing your search history on Skyscanner can help you maintain privacy and improve your user experience. Follow these steps to easily remove your search history. Step 1. Open Skyscanner. Launch the Skyscanner app or website on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account if you have one. Step 2. Access your profile. Navigate to your profile or account settings. This is usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find search history. Look for an option labeled search history or something similar within your account settings. This section contains all your previous searches. Step 4. Clear search history. Select the option to clear or delete your search history. You may be prompted to confirm your choice, so make sure to accept any confirmation requests. Step 5. Refresh the page. After clearing your search history, refresh the page or restart the app to ensure the changes take effect. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on Skyscanner. Regularly managing your search history can enhance your browsing experience.